In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a Canva video to YouTube. So first of all, go to your Canva, of course, .com. Once you open your browser, log in if you're logged in, if you're not logged in, or create an account if you don't have one. For me here, I'm just going to go and create a video. I should find a lot of videos here, templates. I'm just going to use one of the templates as an example that they have. So yeah, let's just use this one. So use this one as example. Yeah, sure. I'm just going to click on share and of course download. We would like to download it however we want. So I'm just going to keep this quality. Do this, download, and now of course you'll need to go to YouTube. Go to youtube.com. Of course, you may say that can I upload this right away from Canva? So you can go to the share button if you want to like check. And here as example, you can go to see all. And here as example, you'll find a lot of things. So share, and there is no YouTube in here. You can just send it to your phone and stuff. And here, example, in the share, there is no YouTube option. Here, example, no YouTube option again. Here, no YouTube option. Design, no YouTube option. And finally here, as you can see, no YouTube option. So directly, you cannot do it. You'll have to download it. Then simply come here and make sure you're signing into an account. Of course, if you're not, you'll have to do so. Then simply go and click on create, upload the video, and all you need to do, just go and upload the video. So select files, and the file that I just downloaded, as you can see, and it should be uploaded now from Canva. So as you can see, the video will be here. You'll have to just give it the title. So testing as example, description example, I'm just going to do testing again. And I'm not going to add any thumbnail, no playlists, no, I'm just gonna keep it empty, or yeah, I'm just going to do so. Next, and next, next, and visibility, I'm just going to make it private. So as you can see, it's shared right here, click on save, and it should be uploaded right away. So if I go to the video, I'll be able to view it on YouTube, and as you can see, here is it. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.